Are Lift Anti-Wrinkle Eye Patches really the secret weapon for younger-looking eyes in 2025? Or just another overhyped skincare gimmick? Today, I'm fully testing and breaking down the Lift patches from shop novalift.com to see if their bold claims actually hold up in the real world. From reducing dark circles and puffiness to smoothing under-eye wrinkles, using so-called dissolving microneedle technology. And after carefully applying them step by step exactly as instructed and leaving them on for the recommended time, I paid close attention to how my skin reacted, how comfortable the patches felt, and what kind of visible changes showed up once they dissolved. The application process itself was simple and pain-free, with a light tingling sensation that faded quickly, which is worth mentioning since the microneedle idea can sound intimidating at first. Once removed, the under-eye area definitely looked more hydrated and temporarily smoother, and there was a slight brightening effect that made the skin appear fresher right away. But when it comes to deep wrinkles, long-term dark circles, or more stubborn puffiness, the results weren't dramatic or permanent, more like a short-term cosmetic boost, rather than a true treatment-level solution. I also checked out the website claims, ingredients list, pricing, refund policy, and customer reviews to see whether anything fell off. And while there were no obvious scam red flags, the marketing definitely leans heavy on big promises that real-world results don't completely live up to. Overall, Lift patches are not an instant miracle or magical anti-aging breakthrough, but they're also not some dangerous fake product either. They fall squarely into that temporary benefit category where you may notice smoother, brighter skin for a few hours or a day, but not long-lasting reversal of wrinkles or dark circles. So, if you're expecting permanent transformation, you'll likely be disappointed. But if you just want a quick under-eye refresh for special occasions, these patches might offer modest results.